Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Investors Bank website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in my-investors.com and press enter. This will then take you into the official website for Investors Community Bank. Now click on the online banking option from the homepage and this will take you into the login portal. Now within the portal, type in the username that you have set while creating your account and then enter the password within the password section. You can then click on login and this will log you into your account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the forgot password option underneath and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on the Investors Community Bank website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.